Hello everyone, and finally today I have decided to vlog. Well, it's spring season here and flowers are in full bloom, so I thought why not to share with you guys along. Well, this vlog might be in bit and pieces, so let's document it. And to those who have recently joined my channel, you're welcome here and let's explore together. Springtime in Seattle is a delightful mix of blooming flowers along with that increasing daylight. The city starts to come alive with vibrant colors and outdoor activities. One of the most iconic signs of spring in Seattle is the blooming cherry blossoms. On the other side, the Mount Rainier, which is one of the most iconic landmarks in the Pacific Northwest, stand out vividly, covered by glaciers and snowfields, which contribute to its majestic appearance. Several events and festivals take place in the urban vibrancy, making it an ideal time to experience the city's many facets. Trail within the city, one of which Olympic Sculpture Park is a stunning waterfront space and sculpture park located in downtown Seattle. Well, that admission is free and open to the public. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful place to relax, the park offers something for everyone. From small luxury yachts to massive ocean liners, you will see a diverse array of cruise ships passing by, making spring weekends most of it. Taking a ferry from Seattle to the nearby island is a quintessential Pacific Northwest experience. The duration from Seattle to Vashon Island is approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Located a very short ferry ride from downtown Seattle. Seattle is surrounded by several islands, each offering its unique attractions and natural beauty.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Vashon Island, known for its rural character, artistic community, and farm-to-table dining scene. Well, we are here at Point Robinson Lighthouse, a historic and picturesque landmark. Standing about 10 feet tall, the Vashon Island Troll is a charming and quirky addition, a region in northwestern Washington state. Camano Island, a heaven for bird watchers.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like
the surrounding waters are home to seals, others, and occasionally orcas and grey whales. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich agricultural heritage, and vibrant community events, here's an in-depth look at what makes Skagit Valley a special destination. A spectacular celebration of springtime blooms held annually in Skagit Valley. The festival typically takes place from April to May, coinciding with the peak blooming season of the valley's vibrant tulip field. Numerous parks come alive with colorful flowers and fresh foliage. Seattleites are used to the rain and often don't let it interfere with their plans. Embracing the weather is a part of the Seattle experience. with downtown Seattle with bustling hub of activity offering a diverse array of attractions. The revitalized waterfront offers a stunning view of the Puget Sound and a variety of attractions. And for those rainy day weekend, we headed to Starbucks Reserve and Roastery. Bellingham, a city located north of Seattle, provide plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors, whether you are interested in hiking, picnicking, or simply taking in the beautiful spring scenery.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
And with that, here I sign off. See you next time. Goodbye.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do